Ever wondered how AI models can suddenly tackle a new task, like solving math problems or writing code, without being explicitly trained on it? What if there was a way to customize these massive language models in seconds, not hours? That's where drag-and-drop LLMs, DND, come in, and it's rewriting the rules of AI adaptation. Let's break down how this works and why it's a game changer. Traditional AI models are like one-trick ponies. To make them handle a new task, say coding or math, you typically have to fine-tune them. That means feeding them thousands of examples and adjusting their internal parameters, which takes time, money, and powerful hardware. For a model with 500 million parameters, this could take hours on high-end GPUs. It's like trying to retrain a chef to cook a new cuisine by hand-holding them through every recipe. But DND is different. Instead of retraining, it uses a clever shortcut, prompts. Think of it as giving the AI a cheat sheet. You drop in a few task-specific instructions, like explain quantum physics in simple terms, or write a Python function to sort this list, and DND magically generates the right model adjustments. It's like having a personal assistant who reads your notes and instantly knows how to adapt the AI to your needs. Here's how it works. DND starts by learning from prompt checkpoint pairs, examples of what a prompt looks like, and the model settings that make it work. Over time, it identifies patterns. If someone asks for math problems, these are the weights that make the model excel. When you give it a new prompt, a lightweight AI decodes the instruction and generates the perfect set of adjustments. No training required. Imagine DND as a master translator. You hand it a sentence in French, and it doesn't just translate it. It adapts the entire grammar system of the target language on the fly. That's what DND does for AI models. It's not just answering a question, it's rewriting the model's language to fit the task. The results? DND is blazing fast. Where traditional methods take hours, DND does it in seconds. But speed isn't the only win, it's also smarter. On tasks like common sense reasoning, math, and coding, DND outperforms old methods by up to 30%. Even more impressively, it works across different model sizes, from tiny 0.5B parameter models to massive 7B parameter ones. It's like having a universal key that fits any lock, no matter how complex. So why does this matter? DND isn't just about speed, it's about rethinking how AI learns. Instead of grinding through data, it treats model adjustments like a language, translating prompts into perfect configurations. This could democratize AI, letting researchers and businesses deploy specialized models without expensive compute power. Imagine a teacher creating a custom AI tutor for their students in minutes, or a developer tweaking an AI to solve a unique coding challenge on the fly. Next time you see an AI doing something amazing, remember, innovations like DND are making it all possible, without a single line of code being retrained. Thanks for watching and stay curious. Hey everyone, ever wondered how AI learns to code or solve math problems? Let's break down a game-changing study that's shaking up the world of machine learning. So here's the thing. Traditional AI models, like those trained on datasets such as ShareGPT or Alpaca, often struggle with complex programming tasks. Think of them as students who have memorized a lot of answers, but can't figure out new problems. They'd hit a wall on tough coding challenges. But then there's this new approach called DND. And let me tell you, it's like giving an AI a superpower. DND didn't just keep up. It surpassed the average performance of all the models it was tested against. Even when half the other models failed completely, DND stayed steady, like a coding partner who studied every possible problem, no matter how tricky. It's not about memorizing code. It's about understanding how data and parameters connect so it can adapt on the fly. And the math results. Mind-blowing. DND boosted accuracy on zero-shot tasks, where the model hasn't seen the exact problem before, by over 20% for challenges like GSM 8K and math. Imagine a student who's never encountered a specific math problem, but can still solve it by grasping the underlying logic. That's what DND does. It's not just smart, it's strategically smart. But here's the best part, DND is efficient. Unlike other models that need massive supercomputers, this one runs in seconds on a single GPU. The researchers even tested if adding complex conditions, like detailed math instructions, would help. Spoiler, it didn't. Simpler prompts worked better. So sometimes less is more, especially when the design is spot on. So what does this mean for AI? DND isn't just a small improvement, it's a whole new way of thinking. By learning to map data to parameters, it's paving the way for AI that's adaptable, fast, and ready to tackle real-world challenges. Whether it's coding, math, or even common sense, DND shows us a future where AI doesn't just mimic humans, it understands them. Thanks for watching. If you want to see DND in action, check out the full study. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dives into AI's coolest breakthroughs. Until next time, keep curious and let's keep exploring the future together.